never thought I could grow cauliflower in my garden, but all thanks to Japan for making me so resilient. And I tried growing lots of veggies in my small balcony garden. I started these cauliflower seeds in an LED light seed starter kit indoors since back then it was very cold in Tokyo. The temperature was going in minus, so I tried growing the seeds indoor. Just insert the seed and water it. And this is how you set up the LED kit. The light inside will help the seeds to sprout. The light and the humidity will be of great help. Just see my previous kit from the seedlings and started coming. So within 1 to 2 weeks, the seedlings will start coming up. Some have come, some are still on the way. Once the seedling has at least 3 to 4 true leaves, the height is almost 8 to 12 centimeters, you can transfer it to bigger pots. So, yeah, this is how I will try to transfer the seedlings of the cauliflower and then transfer it from indoors to outdoors. Make a bit of hole and then transfer the seedlings and then transfer it outside. You see, this is how it has started growing. So now you take it out. You see that there is no growth. You transfer. Showing the fruits. And coming to the feeding part, I did not use any kind of chemical fertilizers. I have just used the homemade fertilizer, which I will be sharing with you. So this is a complete organic cauliflower which I have tried growing in my small balcony garden. Make sure that the cauliflower plant gets at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily, but 4 to 5 hours is also fine, but the growth will be slower. The same happened with me because the weather was not completely same. Covering the head of the cauliflower to prevent wilting. Wilting means your cauliflower plant stops forming a proper head and instead starts growing flowers and seeds too early. So try to cover the head to prevent that. See, even after covering it, the head formation is not good. Why? Because the temperature of Tokyo was fluctuating a lot and we were not getting enough sunlight. But I'm still happy that my hard work paid off 10 to 15 days. Then the soaked rice and lentil water. These are also very good source which will provide a lot of nutrients to your cauliflower. Next, the banana peel and the eggshell water. Just soak them and keep it for a week or so, and you can use the fermented water. It will be very helpful to your plants. This is my second cauliflower. This time